do 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 do. 1, 2, 3. Hello, gurus. Welcome to another episode. Hope you're having a beautiful day. We're going to jump in the charts for Bitcoin, Ethereum. I'm going to show you my Tesla buys, which right now are all pumping because of Trump again. Dumping because of Trump, pumping because of Trump. The markets are going a little bit crazy with Trump, but at the same time, it could be good. Let's see. But it's not really that a good idea to destabilize markets, but he's making a lot of changes, so it is expected. And right now, the markets are still pumping. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up, and turn on the bell. Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into technicals. My account, massive bounce back. If you watch this account, the ride over the last week, crazy. From 455 to 730 to yesterday was like 520. So 455, 730, 520, now 620. So that's up 100K in one distance this morning, which is beautiful. Bitcoin is up 7%, massive pump. And you can see where I was buying the dip a lot. 83, it was very difficult to do that when everyone was so panicked. 81, 79, but that's actually how you know when you're so panicked, when everyone's so panicked, when you're like, oh, this is a scam, I want to get out. That's usually the time to be buying. Actually, look, both my trades in the negative 22K. Interesting. Look at that. Both Ethereum and Bitcoin. It is a almost $1 million trade on Bitcoin. My average price is still 891,800. So if it pumps up a little bit more, it'll be in the positive. My Ethereum trade, I actually added on the dips a lot, including yesterday when it dipped down to under 2,000. I actually picked up Ethereum at 2,095. Now we're at 2,200, which is beautiful. So those are pumping, accounts pumping. Altcoins are probably having a bounce, but I don't want to check it all manually. But you can see here what's bouncing in the market. Solana up, ADA up 22%. Wow, massive pump on ADA. Aave up 23%, 16%. You can see where the market is going crazy and what's up a lot. Ondo, Bitcoin up 7%. I wonder what the news was, but let's go into the technicals. And you can see the market, and including Tesla. I think Tesla, look, 1.6, actually not that much. Yesterday it dropped 4%. I added in. In pre-market was up, but Uni is up, World is up a lot. Trump is up a little bit. Bitcoin is up a bit. Ethereum is up. Doge is up. The whole market is a little bit up. Interesting. Let's go into Bitcoin. 89,700. We're getting wicked around a lot. It came down to the support 78. I think the major support is actually 69. Why? Because that goes back to the 2021 bull market. I don't think we go that low though. We're in the middle of a Bitcoin bull market. I wouldn't be shorting Bitcoin. I wouldn't be betting against it right now. But you can see that if that major support that goes back to 2021 is actually at 69K. We came down to 78K on that drop. Safest point to take a trade is 69K. That's what I think. If you're looking to get into like a big position. On the weekly, stochastic is oversold. It's trying to turn up. Let's look at the Crypto Guru bot. Still a blue buy. It fired back in February 2022. The Crypto Guru bot fired a buy 2023 February. It fired a blue buy at 23K. It's still a blue buy now. Bitcoin indicator bot a few weeks ago fired a sell. It has not yet fired a buy, which is interesting. Let's go closer onto the daily. Daily, we're heading up. Volume is kicking in. A lot of volume coming in actually, which is good to see. On the 4-hourly, also pushing up from a double bottom and higher low at 81. Looks like a little bit like we're going to reclaim very quickly, I think, 98, to be honest. But I would still try to take the trade from the safest point is at 69K. As I said before, riskier trade 78, very risky trade. I would take it off this support if there's a pullback 85. In case this was the bottom to be in the trade, this is the one that I would try to take and then take it to that resistance. Those are my trades on Bitcoin. Actually, I do think this is a big volume spike. We could get a really big push up. I don't think the top is in until October 2025. I talked about this in a previous video a long time, like a few months ago, when I showed the structure of, I'll show it quickly. So you can see on the weekly, you can see every yellow line, these dotted lines, that was 2020 bull halving of Bitcoin. And you can see how much Bitcoin went up after it halved in 2020. We shot up from 3K to 20K. This was the halving that we just had in 2024 in April 2024. We just had another halving. And you can see that if that plays out, the target of that halving is actually 560 days after the halving. So you can see right now we're 308 days out of 560 days till the top of the halving, at top of the bull market. If that plays out the same as it has in other bull markets, you can see here there was previous halvings as well. If that plays the same, then the top would be October 2025, which would be 560 days, 27th of October 2025. That should be the top actually of Bitcoin. And if it pumps the same, the target was around 250K. You can see here, if it moves the same percentage, the target is 269K. It could go up. Really, if you asked me before, I wouldn't know if it could go to 269K. I've said it like a few months ago that was potential target. But now with the government, the president, the funds, BlackRock, everyone buying Bitcoin, governments around the world are about to start. They're going to do a Bitcoin strategic reserve. It very has the potential to do what we're saying. Anyway, those are the trades I'll take. 69 safest, 78 mid, and 85, 600 is riskier. You learn how to open these trades in the Crypto Master Course. Join us in the Telegram. There is right now 800 and something of you online right now. You can join them. American now open. Everything will fly again. Bitcoin will grow to 130K by summer. Long or short, people discussing. You need to get the premium on Telegram. This chat room is free, but if you get the premium, it will automatically translate international language to English for me, or whatever language that you speak. This guy made 70%. This chat is crazy. This is like 10 minutes. This is 10 minutes of chats, everyone. This is all real people. We're highly moderated, this chat group. There's a lot of moderation bots and moderators and moderator people that are looking after this chat. This is just in the last 20 minutes of conversation. So you can join them in there. There's 800 or something, 867 people online chatting, which is beautiful. The links are down below. Bybit 60K bonus. That's where I mainly trade. Weex, you get $200 just for signing up. USA, UK, Australia. JamesCryptoGuru.com for the courses and the Telegram. That's my updates in the market. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up, and turn on the bell. I'm quite bullish. I've been buying the dips. I don't think the bull market is over. If you watch that video where I talked about the Bitcoin 2025 top, and I showed in more detail that structure, I think Bitcoin's going to pump. Let's see. Now we're going into the Whitehouse conversation. There's going to be a crypto summit at the White House on Friday. Love you all. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.